Hi, this is Ravi from the Nifty BN channel. In this video, I would be discussing some options mistakes you should avoid as a beginner. Mistake 1. Selling naked options. Selling naked or uncovered options can be attractive when considering the number of potential winning trades versus losing trades. But the main problem with selling naked options is that there is unlimited risk if the underlying asset experiences an adverse move or a big gap up or gap down opening. Buying options means limited risk up to the premium paid and unlimited return potential should the underlying make a significant move. On the other hand, selling options means unlimited risk potential and limited returns up to the premium received. Just because the professionals are selling naked options and making big money doesn't mean you have to do it. You have to understand that they have the expertise you lack to quickly and efficiently mitigate any potential damage. Unlike buying options that you can almost set and forget, selling options require close monitoring. Also, buying an option requires just the premium amount, but selling an option requires span plus exposure margin and varies based on the moneyness of the option. That is, the margin required for selling a near to the money option would be much more than the margin required for selling an out of the money option. Mistake number 2. Not monitoring the economic calendar. Monitoring the economic calendar is vital to a trader's success. It can help to keep you updated with the most important news announcements and press releases. Economic calendar keeps you ahead of all market moving events such as economic indicators, earnings announcements, and monetary policy decisions. And the consequences of ignoring it can be disastrous. These market moving events usually come with increased volatility. Option premium undergoes a dramatic rise prior to an earnings announcement and a significant decline immediately after it. And if you don't keep a tab on such events, you may have to suffer a significant drawdown. For example, if Reliance is about to announce earnings, its options tend to be more expensive in the days before the announcement. A beginner, unaware of all this, purchases an option before earnings just to witness the premium decay rapidly post the announcement. Mistake number 3. Legging into your position. Legging into your position means executing individual legs separately instead of simultaneously. The main reason for legging is to try to get a better fill price, but this can lead to a lot of problems. For example, when you expect the price of an underlying to rise moderately and want to initiate a bull put spread, you can execute the short put leg first and wait until the stock goes up in order to execute the long put leg for a lower price. But if the price of the underlying dips instead of rising, it can lead to significant losses. Legging into option positions can enhance profits if things go as expected, but can lead to greater losses if the market moves against you in between individual leg executions. Some brokerages provide you with a feature known as basket order, where you can place multiple orders at one time. You can use such features to overcome some challenges faced while legging into a position. Mistake number 4. Trading illiquid options. An underlying is said to be illiquid if it is difficult to get in and out of it without losing some money. Current week options on indices such as Nifty and Bank Nifty tend to have narrow bid ask spreads, and it's fairly easy to trade in and out of them at reasonable prices. Whereas far out in time options, deep in the money options, and options of lesser known stocks tend to have a wide bid offer spread, partly due to the lack of volume or activity. Just last month, I purchased a far out in time, to be specific, a June 2021 11,000 put option in Nifty to hedge my long futures position. A week into the trade, I was in profit on my trade, but I was not able to exit in time as there was less volume and a wide bid offer spread on the 11,000 put option. This led to a small decrease in profit. Mistake number 5, reluctant to realize a loss. Beginner traders tend to be reluctant to realize a loss and eager to realize a gain. Consequently, they sell winners too early and ride losers too long. For example, you sold a June 2020 10,000 put option on Nifty thinking that Nifty would remain below the strike price of your sold option, that is 10,000 by expiry. The profit potential on this trade is limited to the premium received, but the loss potential is theoretically unlimited. The psychology of a beginner trader is that when Nifty moves beyond 10,000, he would wait for the position to reverse, which may or may not happen. And if Nifty continues to move up, the small loss turns into a greater one and ends up putting you in a situation where you are trapped. The conclusion is that the only way to avoid costly losses is to take care of them when they are minor. You must realize that no trader is 100% successful, and taking a loss is not a failure, but a step on the path to victory. We would discuss some more options mistakes you should avoid as a beginner in the next part. Let us know in the comment section which one mistake you made in your trading journey. Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.